Welcome to the presentation of Lady Bird Lake Hotel, located in Austin, Texas. We hope you enjoy our PowerPoint presentation and look forward to any questions you may have.
Hi, my name is Brittany. I have 10 plus years of experience in large-scale arenas. My current experience is with a reputable global attraction company. I have managed over 3 attractions at one single time. My BA is in business administration with a concentration in marketing and a minor in public relations.
Hi, I'm Michelle. I have 16 plus years of experience and a BS degree in hospitality and tourism management. Over the past few years, I have managed a catering business that has seen soaring growth and expects continuous growth in the upcoming years.
Hi, my name is Jennifer, and I have over 15 years of experience of working in the hotel industry. I have worked in several departments. I started at the restaurant, then went to the front desk, and are now in the sales department. I have worked with many hotel brands such as Hilton, Marriott, and IHG, so that helps in knowing the competition very well. And I also hold a BS degree in communications.
So just what is it that we are proposing? We would like to open a full-service hotel along Lady Bird Lake in downtown Austin, Texas, that embodies the Texas Southern hospitality. We would like to call it Lady Bird Lake after the lake that is next to, the lake that was named after the former First Lady, Lady Bird Johnson. More than 2.8 million visitors come to Lady Bird Lake each year, and the downtown area has a booming tech industry. Our hotel will feature 323 guest rooms, with more than half of them having a lake view, 6,000 square feet of meeting space, a full-service restaurant and bar that can sit 100 people, that can select from some of the favorite Texas comfort foods out there, and 16 of the best local beers. It has a state-of-the-art fitness center, complimentary Wi-Fi for all hotel guests, and a rooftop pool overlooking Lady Bird Lake. We also wanted to add in a bonus feature of the hotel that would be a boat rental company where people can come and rent kayaks and rowboats, sailboats, paddle boats, and go out on the lake and see these gorgeous views that it has to offer. Lady Bird Lake is something you don't want to just sit inside the hotel room and see. You want to go out and be on it.
Let's talk about the strengths of Lady Bird Lake Hotel. So Lady Bird Lake Hotel is going to be located in the downtown Austin market, which is right now growing and very strong. It's considered the mini Silicon Valley, with new headquarter offices from Facebook, Amazon, Google, and Oracle, all having offices in the downtown Austin. Actually, the Lady Bird Lake Hotel will be sitting directly across from the new Oracle office, who just in their travel program, they bring in an estimated 22,000 room nights to the hotel, or to the city, so the hotel should see a fair share of that portion. Also, with the hotel's location of being on the lake and near downtown Austin, we are able to host all market segments from leisure to corporate clients. We're going to be sitting in the background market for ACL Festival, South by Southwest, Austin Film Festival, and Formula One, so we'll be able to capture all of that business. Also, one of our strengths is our amenities and staff that we're going to be able to provide. We're going to offer free parking, free airport shuttle, and free Wi-Fi. Right now, none of the other hotels are offering free parking and free airport shuttle, so that is a huge plus for us. Also, we're really dedicated to hiring only passionate team members who are going to deliver excellent customer service. So how are we going to do that? We're going to pay them a little more, and we're going to really seek out the best team members. The risk for Lady Bird Lake Hotel. One of the biggest challenges that the Lady Bird Lake Hotel will have is the independent brand we will be operating under. A lot of the hotels that's going to be our main competition are Hilton and Marriott. So we're going to have some challenges with marketing opportunities. But we really feel with our competitive rates, our amenities, and locations, it will not be a problem for us. Also, competing against a growing market of Airbnbs such as HomeAway, who can offer those heavier discounts, that'll be a challenge for us as well. However, our hotel is in the center of downtown Austin, which there's plenty of entertainment districts, and also sitting on the lake. People will want that, and they'll be willing to pay a little more. If you look at Lady Bird Lake's hotel valuation, it really is a smart investment. Lady Bird Lake Hotel will need a 10-year loan with an amortization of 30 years. This will help our monthly payments be equal to a 30-year loan, thus giving us a lower mortgage payment per month, but being able to pay off that full balance in 10 years. We're confident in paying this loan off in 10 years based on our anticipated yearly revenues that will generate between $7 to $9 million per year. Lady Bird Lake's hotel estimated net income for 1 year is just over $6 million. Now, these incomes are based on guest room revenue, food and beverage departments, and our boathouse where we'll be renting out kayaks and paddle boards. So if we're seeking a $32 million loan, we are very confident in our strong cash flows from this just based on our estimated revenue of $7 to $9 million per year. So really, if you look at the numbers, it's a smart investment.
Now that you have heard about our proposed hotel, if you may still have doubts, here are some final reasons why you should invest in Lady Bird Lake Hotel and not the stock exchange. Reason 1 is we are very realistic when it comes to our plan. We know that we are asking for a lot loan-wise in the 30 millions because 1, we want to purchase the property and we want to build the property from ground up. It's on a very popular lake, and in Austin, real estate is rising, so thus the price is rising. So we're very realistic from that standpoint. At the same time, we know with this venture, we're going to stick out from the competition. Our hotel's on the lake, thus we've already invested in a sailboat rental company, so we have something more to offer to our guests. And again, with it being in Austin and the demand being high, more and more people are coming to visit, thus their hotel prices are high. But by us keeping our prices lower than the competition, low enough that we are still able to cover all of our costs, we will be able to make that high income. Lastly, a point that we keep reiterating is that Austin is on the rise. People are coming to visit, people are moving there, more businesses are moving there. Thus, we want to jump on this opportunity now rather than wait. On behalf of the team behind Lady Bird Lake Hotel, myself, Brittany Burt, Michelle Bryce, and Jennifer Marshall, thank you all for taking the time to listen to our proposal. We really, really hope you choose to invest. Have a great day.